Hey guys, welcome to the video. Right now is 8 in the morning, 8 something in the morning on Saturday, and we about to go train as always because these games does not rest on the weekends. These games are made to be made every day, so there's no rest days out here, guys. We don't do that. You understand? And right now, I even hope that. Let me see this back. Damn. Looking nice. Looking real nice, right, guys? But what I was saying was, right now, I just hope. Damn, I literally forgot. So I'm gonna go to the other topic, that is, I hope that in the park there's nobody. Yesterday I was like, oh, it's raining, it's probably nobody there, it's so many people. I had to go into a corner where I could do my train because there was no space, and it's like, damn, they should have done a bigger park, because apparently around here, the place that when I was a child and came, nobody was here, literally nobody, you know? And now like there's a bunch of people, and most of them are not Portuguese, by the way. Most of them are not natives. Most of them are tourists or people who really like in here, because the weather and being close to the beaches and the waves and surfing culture, you know. But yeah, man, there's more and more people. It's good because there's a lot of baddies, a lot of like very hot females, a lot, like, it's incredible. And in Lisbon, where I used to live, there was a bunch, but that's where the most people live in Portugal, right? While here is not, but there are way more. It's like literally I go out and I see like 5 to 10 hot females. It's crazy, and all are really hot. It's not like in Lisbon where some are and there are better, and then are one or other there is hot. Out here is like, no, they are all fit, all hot, like they are training. Is crazy. It's really crazy. Damn, it's colder today outside. It's sooner than we usually wake up to. my legs still very sore. Not as bad as yesterday, of course, but still very sore. And what I'm starting to understand is that because I shift from lifting weights to calisthenics again, a lot of muscles were not used to the intensity of the calisthenics workouts, So, damn, going down really hard. So what I was saying is, I think this is a transitional pace. I'm really hurting, guys, not gonna lie. It's hard just to talk if I like this, because you guys don't understand. Like I crumble while I'm walking. It's crazy. I look like I'm a deficient person. I definitely cannot run another run for a while. When I get able to train again my legs, I will. When I'll be able to train again, I will definitely run first. That's what I was trying to say. It's funny because these around here, because you are close to the beaches, what happened is, because we are close to the beaches, what happened is a lot of times it gets, I don't remember the name, but everything gets clouded, you know, gets real clouded, because it's a phenomenon where the water from the ocean evaporates and everything gets real clouded. And usually I see from far away, but today I'm seeing like on the spot. And yeah, they are having some around here. They also sell stuff, which means probably there will be more people, which is crazy because I thought like, oh, 8 in the morning, nobody's gonna be here, but clearly I'm wrong. There's more people. Like, every time I think that will be less people, is more. It's crazy. Around here it's crazy. But also, when I used to live in Lisbon, one thing that happened a lot was when there was bad weather there, like here will be sunny. It will be very weird. But yeah, guys, basically people are selling a bunch of different things, but I'm gonna get to work and then I'm gonna post, hopefully doing more PRs than before. Probably will. First train in the morning was where I'm more fresh, so let's do it, guys. Let's do it. My one of my little goals now is to do at least 100 pull-ups in 10 minutes, but I did 62 last time, so I'm expecting 70, maybe 72. We'll see. Having said that, guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.